4 American service members died after a KC-135 tanker aircraft crashed in western Iraq on Thursday afternoon following a mid-air collision with another aircraft, according to officials. The U.S. Army confirmed that the KC-135 crashed around 2 p.m. Eastern Time, as reported by U.S. Central Command on Friday morning. Of the 6 crew members on board, 4 have been confirmed dead, while the search for the remaining personnel continues. CENTCOM reported that the second aircraft involved in the collision managed to land safely. Authorities also emphasized that the accident was not caused by enemy action or friendly fire. The names of the deceased service members have not yet been released. Authorities stated that their identities will remain confidential until their families are notified, after which the names will be released within 24 hours. Investigators are working to determine the exact cause of the collision. The KC-135 Stratotanker is a U.S. Air Force aircraft designed to refuel other aircraft in flight, allowing them to remain airborne longer without needing to land. In addition to refueling operations, the aircraft can be configured for medical evacuation or surveillance missions. Derived from the Boeing 707, the KC-135 has been in operation for over 6 decades and supports aircraft of the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps, as well as allied forces. The Air Force has begun replacing older KC-135s with newer KC-46A Pegasus aircraft. Even with ongoing modernization efforts, there are concerns about the aging tanker fleet. According to the Congressional Research Service, the Air Force operated 376 KC-135 aircraft last year, distributed among active duty units, the Air National Guard, and the Air Force Reserve. A typical KC-135 crew includes a pilot, a co-pilot, and an in-flight refueling operator who controls the refueling boom at the rear of the aircraft. Some versions are also equipped with refueling pods on the wings and can carry cargo or passengers if necessary. Another American official reported that a second KC-135 was involved in the incident but landed safely in Israel, according to the Israeli ambassador to the United States. The accident occurred shortly after another recent incident in which 3 American F-15E fighter jets were accidentally shot down by friendly fire from Kuwait. Subscribe to the America Power Watch channel for more videos.